Hello.
Hello, sir.
So here, one of our students, she got a visa, and she's none other than Sakshi. And she's here. She would like to share some experience with us. So Sakshi, first of all, here is your visa.
Thank you so much, sir.
Where do you come from?
I am basically born and brought up in Haryana. So currently my family, all of my family members are in Chandigarh. And for my job purpose, I am here for the last 2 years.
Where do you work right now?
I'm working in RTV's hospital in operation theatre as a scrub nurse. I deal with their trauma cases. I'm orthopedic nurse.
So positive vibes can be clearly seen on your face as you got your visa. So how do you feel once you got your? I think it's your dream to get the visa. So how do you feel right now? Could you share your experience?
So yes, definitely. It was a dream of mine to work abroad, and I applied several times, but there was no any chance to get my visa. So someone recommended me to come here, and this is I have no words to explain myself what I am feeling right now. So this is the best place for me. So I have definitely I can't express.
Who suggested you to come to STGS?
One of my friends, she applied here, and she suggested me you should have to go there. And even I saw the reviews of yours as the viewers in Google, and there was a lots of positiveness over there, and I was really blessed. So I applied here, and all over the experience was really amazing.
So I don't know whether this is right or wrong, but I heard like you applied for somewhere else as well. I don't know in Chandigarh, and you had been waiting for a long time over there, but you couldn't get it. Finally, you reached here. So who recommended you, and how you reached here, and you share your past experience with us?
Yes, definitely. Once I have applied in Gurgaon, and someone recommended me on that time you should have to go there. But I applied, and there was no any clearance or transparency over there, and they were delaying all over the things for 1 year. Then after that. My friend, she applied here and she got the visa, and she was suggested me to go there to apply here. And definitely there is no any other place in Gurgaon or NCR like this institute, and you will get the clear picture over here. And according to me, this is the best place for the visa application.
So as I observed, Sony will fly to UK, and that's the best place of I would say. So how what work you will take to go there? What's your job responsibility?
As I already mentioned you, I'm a nurse, and definitely I got my work visa. So I'll do my job will according to the hospital basis or what they will give it to me. And this is the best experience of me to work with that people.
So now you got the visa, and would you like to recommend anyone to us?
Yes, definitely. There is no any chance. I have no tell to anyone. So I'm recommending, and it's not recommending. I'm highly recommending to all of you. If you want to go to UK or any other country, so you should have to come here, and you should have to see the results of Achievers. They are really amazing, and all over the staff is really cooperative, especially you, sir. And you are really down to earth. So definitely, it's highly recommendation for everyone.
So frankly speaking, lot of people they have the issues like whether they get the visa or not. So before coming here, what's your opinion, and now what do you think about it?
Before that, I was quite nervous. Should I apply or not? It's because it happened me once, and it was really hard to believe. Like, should I go with that or not? But if you want to go, so you have to trust someone. So right this time there is no any kind of the trust breakness. So I'm really happy.
Right. So let's see. Could you show your please?
Yes, sure, sir.
So here's your visa, right? This smiling face can be clearly seen. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Have a great future ahead.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.